Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on additional settings, go into languages and input, and click on manage keyboards. Over here you need to go into settings under your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and go into theme. Click on the plus sign under my themes and select a photo by clicking on the chosen one. Then you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to disable or enable them, and when you're done, click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!